Hey Tigers, today we are rolling. Rolling has a few key elements, so let's go over them. The first thing you need to do is start with your feet together, and when you step, you want to step with your non-dominant foot. What I mean by that is whatever hand you roll with, I roll with my right hand, I need to step with my left foot, my opposite foot. So my right leg is my dominant leg, so I need to step with my less dominant leg. So feet together, step with my less dominant leg. Then the second key element is bend. You need to get low with your body. So when I roll, I bend at the waist and I stay low through the entire movement. Then I bring my ball back, just like this. I bring it back. So here we go, feet together. Step with my non-dominant foot, bend, stay low, bring my arm back, maybe behind my shoe, and then I want to roll. Bring my foot forward and roll. Stay low through the movement. So it's step, low, back, roll. But just like every other activity and movement that we do in gym, it needs to be all at one time. So everything at the same time. So it looks a little bit like this. And stay low. Because today we are rolling, but we're also going to play an activity called bowling. We're going to be knocking down pins in class, and you Tigers at home are going to get some cups, some plastic cups from your kitchen. But make sure your parents know you're using the cups, all right? So, to start off, let's go over it one more time. Feet together, step, low, back, rock and roll. And I'll show you the key elements here on our board in the gym. I'll let you look at that for a little bit. Step with your non-dominant foot. Get low, bend at the waist. Stay low through the entire movement. Go back. Bring the ball back, maybe behind your shoe, and then roll, rock and roll. Rock forward, bring your body forward, your hand low, reach out in front and release in front. Let's show it one more time. So right here, feet together, step, get low, back, and when you rock and roll, I want you to go back and rock forward, stay low and release in front. I don't want you to release here, and that just makes the ball bounce on the floor. Okay, we lose momentum like that. Feet together, arm back, and roll. Stay low. So at home, I want you to try to get 10 plastic cups, Tigers. 10 cups, and I want you to make them look like this. So right now, pause the video, go get 10 plastic cups. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So here we go, 10 plastic cups. Okay, now that you're unpaused, you want 4 in the back, okay? You want 3 in the middle, 2 towards the front, and 1 at the front. And you want to space them out just like that. Pause the video and do that. Now that you're unpaused, I want you to try to take some steps back and see how many cups you can knock down in 2 tries. So you get the first try, just like in bowling, count how many cups you knock down, and then go again and see how many cups you knock down. I'm going to admit, I'm not making excuses, but my cups are really small and low to the ground, so they don't tip over as well. So I'm going to try to roll it as hard as I can, but keep the ball on the floor, Tigers. Keep the ball on the floor. Here we go. Feet together. Oh, 3 the first time. 3. Then I grab my ball. Oh, and I forgot to tell you. You need some socks. I have some big, warm snowboard socks and some skiing socks that I roll up into a ball to make my ball at home. So everybody go do that really quick. Get your ball, roll it up, pause the video again, and roll it up into the best ball you can and form it. Okay? Now this is my second try, and right now my score is 3. Let's see if you can beat Coach Martinez. Here we go. Oh, I have 3 left. So if you have 10 cups and you have 3 left, that means I knocked down 7 cups my first try. At home, I want to see if you can knock down just as many as me. I want you to get a partner at home, maybe a mom, maybe a grandma, and see if they can beat you, okay? Now, if you look over here to my right, if you want to have some extra fun with bowling, well, first, get your ball. And I stacked as many cups as I could find here in the gym. And again, you have to have your parents' permission, all right? Let's see how many cups I can knock down if I make a big pyramid this time, all right? Instead of putting them like bowling pins, let's see how many I can knock down. Here we go. Yes! Remember, rewind this video and look at the key elements. Make sure you're rolling the correct way. You don't need to use just a sock. You can use any type of ball you have at the house, but make sure it's small enough so you can grab and manipulate it, so you can do the rolling motion. So when you go low and rock and roll, it doesn't fall out of your hand. You need it a little bit small. Have a great day, Tigers.